So basically, this is our second branch of Zee Travels. So first we have in UK, in London, in Southall. So mostly our customers used to find difficult to contact us in UK and to get the work done. So this is the best place to come over here. We do flights, hotels, and the holiday packages. We do it everything from scratch to scratch. So there will be no hesitation. Okay. I would like to meet my Imtiaz Sheikh, the Deputy
Former Mayor of Swindon, yeah.
So if there is anything, you can just contact us. Numbers and everything, the email and everything is written on top on the board.
First of all, I would like to congratulate Zee Travels and the entire team, especially Arif, for putting such a great effort. I've seen his struggles in establishment, the empire that he created in England himself. I think our friendship began when we had the chaos of COVID-19, and when we were trying to help the community, the entire Indian community, to travel from UK to India and India back. This is when we actually met online, and my first request to him was, look, I understand you're a business, but at this time and moment we need to help our community, and whatever you can provide and support us in whatever way possible, it would really help the community overall. And I'll tell you, he was outstanding. He was 24/7 available for us. He made sure that he provided the best service for free for that entire 2 to 3 months. I think I've not come across anybody who is an established businessman, such a young person himself, has contributed towards the communities so much. And therefore, I think we all need to support him as a community. Having so many branches in England and having one here, it makes it easier for us. And I think, once again, congratulations and all the best, Arif.
Sir, any message to the Goans?
Of course, of course. Look, Goa is the land of paradise. We are lovely people. All I am requesting to all is that do not forget, united we stand, divided we fall.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.